Hello bakers, let us decorate this very cute bento box. We're starting off by crumb coating our little mini cake. After crumb coating, we're going to be working on the other elements and bring this beautiful set to life. These bento boxes are trending and they will never stop. They're very convenient, they're perfect for small or intimate gathering, and they are so cute. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking through this video, so make sure to ask your questions in the comment section and I will answer them. If you did enjoy this little decorating video, make sure to like this video, share with your friends, and make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel for more cake baking and decorating videos. Until next time, keep on baking.